Let's learn how to crochet this hand warmer. For this, I'll be using a 2.5mm hook and yarn in two colors. I'm going to start with the brown yarn. We start with a slip knot. Crochet a multiple of 5 chains and make sure it fits around the required part of your wrist, and crochet an extra chain that acts like the turning chain. Skip the first chain from the hook and single crochet in all the remaining stitches. For the next round, we're gonna chain 2 and turn our works. This is what the single crochet looks like from the top. Next, we work a double crochet in the top of the stitch as shown. Consider the next 3 single crochet and check for the middle one, and crochet a front post double crochet around it. That is, yarn over and pass the hook next to the stitch, behind it and out on the other side, and crochet the double crochet as usual. Do the same for the next single crochet. Now we are going to crochet a front post treble crochet around the skip stitch. Crochet 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches and repeat the pattern. The round ends with 1 double crochet. I'm going to work round 3 with the green yarn. Chain 1 and turn your work and crochet a single crochet in each of the stitches, making sure that the stitch count is the same. We are going to start by folding the piece in half and crochet a single crochet in the chain 1 space. And turn your work. Now we are going to place 2 single crochet in the double crochet stitch from the previous rounds. And finally a single crochet through the first round. Chain 1 and turn your work and slip stitch through each of the single crochet. After which, slip stitch in the first single crochet of the third round. Next, chain 1 and place a single crochet in the seam stitch. We are going to crochet 5 chains. Next, we are going to skip the 4 stitches and place a single crochet in the 5th. This stitch will be worked in continuous rounds. Once we reach to the end, we are going to single crochet in the chain 5 space instead of slip stitching. Repeat this pattern till you reach just below the thumb. Now, to crochet the thumb hole, we are gonna chain 10. Skip the next loop and crochet a single crochet in the next. I'm going to repeat the stitch until I reach the thumb hole. Here we are going to make up for the skipped loop, so I'm going to single crochet, chain 5 and single crochet in the same loop. And then chain 5 and continue the pattern. I'm going to continue this pattern for another 1 or 2 rounds. Once you've reached the desired length, single crochet, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Since this is a mesh stitch, you will have to adjust it once you put on the hand warmer, or you can also block it. Next, we're going to crochet the branches or the vines depending on the color. We're gonna start with the slip knot and crochet chains to the desired length. I crocheted 9 chains. And then how long we want the trunk to be, I crocheted an additional 10 chains, so it was a total of 19. For this part, you will have to constantly check with the hand warmer, like the placements, the size of the branches, etc. Make sure you also try it on and then check the placement and mark it using some sort of washable marker or something. Now skip 1 chain and slip stitch up to the length of the trunk. That is, I crocheted 9 slip stitches. After this, it's time to crochet the second branch. For this, I crocheted 18 chains. And if you want to add leaves, here's what you can do. Attach green yarn to any of the chains as shown and chain 5. Then skip a stitch and place a slip stitch in the next. In the next 3 stitches, crochet a single crochet, half double crochet and another single crochet. And then place a slip stitch at the base of the leaf. Now, working on the opposite side of the chain, we are going to place a single crochet, half double crochet and single crochet in the next 3 chains. Slip stitch at the peak and fasten off. I'll be using pins to keep the applique in place while I stitch it. Make sure you stretch the stitches before placing the pins. After turning the hand warmer inside out, I'm attaching the applique using a tapestry needle. I'm alternating between the applique and the hand warmer while also making sure that the needle passes only through the back sides of the stitches. And to secure this, we are going to pass the needle through one of the stitches and do not pull all the way through. We are going to pass the needle through this created loop. You can do this twice or even thrice.